It's flavorless. I'm much more of a Frosted Flakes kind of gal. Sorry. This is the healthy version of the sugary version of cereals I used to eat growing up. But I'm gonna eat it anyways for you guys. Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up at the end. Also, feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on, as well as check out that join button. We've got a ton of membership perks that you guys are going to absolutely love, as well as our merch store. As suspected, that's right, we are going to be doing the Supreme Week 6 lookbook. So I'm going to be going through and showing you guys all of the items that I was able to cop in store. This morning I saw was a little bit rough for a lot of people. I opted out of going for really anything except for the Saint Michael Fleece jacket, which sold out as one of the fastest items. So I really just didn't have a chance in hell in snagging that, but I wanted to grab one just in case as a backup online, but I took an L on that. I didn't really want to spend excess on shipping and handling for the Wheaties cereal at $8. So I didn't go for that or the box cutter, but those were definitely some items that I was hoping to snag in store. So you guys will see what I caught or grabbed or snagged in the store more momentarily. And then we're going to go through the sellout times, and then we're going to conclude with how some of these items are doing on the resale market. So let's get into what are some of the items that I copped in store, starting with, I guess, what I am wearing. So I was able to grab a size medium in the Wheaties Supreme Tee in the black. Pretty cool t-shirt. I mean, it's pretty funny because it's like a box logo inside of a box, right? You get what I'm saying? So we've got the General Mills at the top, the Breakfast of Champions on the top there, the big, bold, bright logoed Wheaties in the center, and then underneath we have Supreme. And we've got a mixture of kind of camo print in the green kind of camo colorway intermixed with some yellow to really match, I think, the outlining of the Wheaties. But this is definitely a very vibrant pop of color that really, I feel like, shows very well on top of this black color scheme. A little bit different than the white, but I think between the two, I definitely prefer this one over it. Again, I got this in a size medium and it went for $48. It is just a regular cotton shirt. It doesn't feel like anything special. There's no embroidery going on here. Other than that, yeah, just a pretty basic cotton t-shirt that we've got going on here. All right, so next up, I guess since we're already on the Wheaties, why don't we talk about some cereal? So I literally, I think as a kid, always wanted to be on a Wheaties box. I think that was like just a goal of me and my girlfriends growing up because we would see, you know, different people on the box. But as far as cereal goes, I never really ate Wheaties growing up. It wasn't something that was tasty or appealing in my opinion. I definitely was somebody who wanted like sugary anything, Fruity Pebbles, you name it. Like I was obsessed with sugary Captain Crunch, actually. Oh, peanut butter Captain Crunch, one of my favorites. Trix, loved me some Trix. Fruity Pebbles, some of the greatest, but Wheaties never made the cut. I do like this box though, so I got this in the purple camo, and you've got the Supreme box logo on the front there. Let's see what we got for servings. It looks like a pretty normal servings on here. Nothing unique or special about that. We got the Breakfast of Champions, which we're used to seeing. We've got a Supreme logo on the side here. again with the Breakfast of Champs. Yeah, so we got a couple, looks like different Supremes here. We got an expiration date of needing to eat this by December 15th, 2021. Yeah, let's see. No more clipping box tops. Oh, that's hilarious. You guys remember when you could get actually coupons on the boxes and you would have to go and cut them so you could bring them to the grocery store? Well, I guess they got rid of that. Had no clue. But yeah, this is the purple version. All right, next up we have the Kaws cap. So I really wanted to get this in a spring colorway, so I opted for the yellow. I wanted this or the pink. I ended up going with yellow since I do have a few items in pink already. I wanted something to kind of match the hoodie that I got in the all black. We also have the Supreme logo on the back here. Let's see actually how this fits. This isn't, by the way, like a really stiff hat. It's pretty malleable, the material here. You can kind of see how that folds in really easily. Definitely like that we have the latches on the back so I can tighten it, but I am kind of liking this yellow. Let me see my reflection. I don't mind it. It kind of actually goes with this Wheaties t-shirt. It's different yellow, but I feel like it kind of works all right there. But yeah, it's a comfy hat. Can't hate on that. What do you guys think? Show you the top how it looks. And this retailed for $46. And I do think that yellow was one of the colors that did the best in that pastel colorway. All right, so last but not least, show you guys this last item, the box cutter. I'm so excited for this. So says Supreme at the top here, and we've got manual carton cutter with sliced ceramic blade. We got a manual in here. Sliced ceramic technology, safer than traditional blades. Let's just, let's open her up. Ooh, look at that. So this was actually $16, and I like this because it's finger friendly, but this is actually like a really easy way to open it. I think all I have to do is press on it here. I love that. So we've got our little manual here. And let's pop this out. All right, so it's a slice on the back here. It's like a nice silver tone, and we've got the Supreme on the front. I'm assuming that this is what we're gonna press to get the blade open. I don't know how to use this. Maybe I do need to look at the manual here. All right, just had a special moment there. Ta-da! Came to the realization that this white piece is actually the blade itself. I was looking for something silver. Haven't seen a white blade before, so that's pretty cool. And it looks like the way to hide the blade is just to kind of push it in there. But I think we should test this out because I'm confused. It doesn't look that sharp, but watch it be extremely sharp. I have a box that I need to open. This is the perfect opportunity, I guess, to open it. So let's just grab it right now and see how well this actually works. Ooh, wow, that works actually very well. It just kind of like slides up though when you use it. So I guess you've got to like keep your hands. Kind of hard to use actually. I don't know how to like lock it in there because it just like slides down pretty easily, but it does work very well. Very, very well. All right. Wow, this is like sliding through like butter. I never would have thought that. Okay, looks like I just did a poor job of cutting this open. But this is a very strong box cutter. I'm like actually surprised. Should I show you guys what's in here? Nah, maybe I should wait. Okay. Why not show you guys what's in here? Just for a little sneak peek. I feel like you all deserved it. Let us see what we have. Any guesses? Any guesses? How about now? Any guesses on the color though? This is exciting. My first foam runners. The moons. Oh, these are so cool. I'm so happy. All right, so stay tuned for this video. That was your sneak peek. Gotta thank the box cutters for that, or else I wouldn't have done this on this video. All right, so now let's go through quickly and talk about what I took an L on. What I wanted was the Saint Michael Fleece jacket. Yeah, nothing in store, couldn't get it online. But honestly, like, do I really need a fleece coming into this spring, summertime weather? Probably not. So I'm not like too hurt by it, but it did look really cool. So for the first item that sold out the fastest was the Wheaties t-shirt in black in a size small, then the Saint Michael Fleece jacket in that multicolor in a small, then the white tee that was the Wheaties tee in a small, followed by the Saint Michael's Fleece in the XL, and then the next black and white color in the fleece went in a small, and then an XL. Then we're starting to see some of the Swarovski hoodies selling out fast. I knew these colors would sell out the fastest. I don't know if you guys saw my last video on the drop list, but as I said, the purple was gonna go pretty quick, as well as that brown. And it did in the double XLs, followed by the white, and then the purple. And then it looks like the pink chalk logo-fied panel Kaws hat went the fastest out of all the hats. But yeah, so those are kind of the items that flew the quickest. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys were able to cop this week, or if you just passed on it. All right, so now let's talk about resale. So as far as this t-shirt goes, this retailed at $48 and it's currently going between $68 to $300 for the larger size. As far as the cutter goes, this retailed at $16 and it's currently reselling for $38. The Wheaties, which is interesting, this sold for $8, but currently it's on StockX for around $20, and it says on there not fit for human consumption. So not sure what that's about. Maybe you can't trust buying some type of, I guess, they don't want to be liable for cereal that they're reselling on there. I honestly didn't think that they were going to be reselling this, but they are. And you can also get this on eBay for around $20 as well. Then we've got our Kaws cap. So all the colors are doing well. They're doing around the same price point. This retailed for $48 and it's going between $48 to $72. The color that's doing the worst is the green color, and that's the only color that's staying around the retail price point. All right, there you have it, you guys. Hope that you took some W's today on Supreme Week 6. Again, if you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Be sure to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell if you haven't already, so you're alerted as soon as we have any upcoming and new heat. Also, be sure to check out that join button because we have a ton of membership perks that you guys are not going to want to miss out on, as well as our merch store. All right, until next time, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next video.